Okay, now that you are on office.com, I am going to show you how to create a new Word document or a PowerPoint presentation. So you should have logged in. On the side here, you will see Microsoft Word or Word when you go over it. When you click on it, you can click and you will see New Blank Document. So when you click that, it'll bring you to a blank document in a whole new tab right here. If you ever need to write a paper or submit anything to Schoology, but you need to create an entire document of writing, this is how you would create one of those. All right, I'm going to show you how to do that for PowerPoint. PowerPoint is right on the side. You're going to click PowerPoint. And it's the same thing. You're just going to click New Blank Presentation. And when you click Blank Presentation, it is going to bring you into PowerPoint. And this is going to create a new presentation if you have to do a presentation for class, or if you need to have some type of project where you need to have a PowerPoint. This is how you can create that. And all of that is through office.com. I'm going to click exit right here. This is office.com. You can go back there if you need any other documents. At this point, you are going to go back to Schoology and you are going to answer a discussion question for our scavenger hunt.